Hey everyone, Alienware's decision to resurrect the Area-51 name at CES 2026 feels deliberate and symbolic, signaling a return to no-compromise gaming laptops that put power, thermals, and design at the forefront. With the Alienware 16 Area-51 and Alienware 18 Area-51 leading the charge, Dell is clearly positioning these machines as flagship devices for enthusiasts who want desktop-class performance in a portable form. The new Area-51 models immediately stand out thanks to their liquid teal anodized aluminum chassis and the refreshed Alienware 30 design language. One of the most impressive highlights of the Alienware 16 Area-51 is its display. This is Alienware's first gaming laptop to feature an anti-glare panel, and the specifications are clearly aimed at enthusiasts who care deeply about image quality and motion clarity. The 16-inch WQXGA screen delivers exceptional sharpness, deep blacks, and vivid colors thanks to its 120% D CIP3 color volume. A 240 Hz refresh rate makes it ideal for competitive gaming. The anti-glare coating meaningfully reduces reflections. The 16-inch model can sustain up to 240 watts of gaming power, while the 18-inch version pushes that figure to an impressive 280 watts. Performance configurations are exactly what you would expect from a revived Area-51 brand. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 50 series laptop GPUs headline the lineup, ranging from the RTX 5070 Ti with 12 gigs of GDDR7 memory up to the flagship RTX 5090 with a massive 24 gigs of GDDR7. Memory support scales up to 64 gigs of DDR5 with XMP support on select configurations, and storage can reach an enormous 12 terabytes through dual NVMe drives in RAID 0. The Alienware 18 Area-51 leans even harder into the desktop replacement category. Its massive 18-inch WQXGA LCD display offers a 300 Hz refresh rate, full DCIP3 color coverage. A large 96 watt-hours battery is paired with a hefty 360 watt GAN power adapter, underscoring the sheer power draw of the system. At up to 4.34 kilos, portability is clearly not its priority, but for users who want maximum performance in a single machine, that weight feels like an understandable trade-off. For users who want a more balanced approach, the Alienware 16X Aurora offers an interesting alternative. Despite its slimmer profile, it retains the same impressive 16-inch WQXGA anti-glare display found on the 16 Area-51, ensuring that visual quality is not compromised. Performance is scaled back slightly, with GPU options topping out at the RTX 5070 with up to 130 watt dynamic boost. But this still places the 16X Aurora firmly in the high-performance category. Intel Core Ultra 5 and Core Ultra 9 HX processors support for up to 64 gigs of DDR5 memory, dual NVMe SSDs with RAID 0, Wi-Fi 7, Thunderbolt 4, and a 90 watt-hour battery make it a well-rounded option for gamers who also need portability. Looking ahead, Alienware's plans to expand the lineup later in 2026 with an entry-level gaming laptop and an ultra-slim 14-inch and 16-inch series show that the company is aiming to cover a much broader range of users. For now, the Alienware 16 Area-51 and 18 Area-51 firmly establish themselves as statement products that prioritize performance, cooling, and display quality above all else, while the 16X Aurora bridges the gap between power and portability. With global availability set for Q1 2026 and pricing still to be announced, Alienware has successfully reignited interest in the Area-51 name and reminded the gaming laptop market what a true flagship can look like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.